So over here inside of Adobe Bridge, if I were to go around inside of the pictures folder, you can see that I got a bunch of files with different names right here. But let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and rename these files. Let's say, for example, I want to rename this particular file, then I can simply right click. And then what I can do is I can click on rename right here. So let's just go around and rename it to logo, and it gets renamed to logo right here, just like this. Apart from that, I can go around and click and drag these out right here, drag out everything. And then what I can do is I can simply right click to batch rename them out as well. So if I were to go around and select out all right here, you can see that batch rename is an option right here that I can actually use. So over here, you can go ahead and utilize presets, as you can see. But let me just go around onto the new file name section and then rename it out. So I'm just going to go around and type in tube right here, just like this. And then over here, you can see that you can add in date created right here, so forth. So you can remove these out as you want as well. You can remove out some content, and you can also go around and add in as you like right here. You can go ahead and add in more content and choose what you want to actually go ahead and keep in the rename file. So let me just go around and remove out a few right here. So there's tube underscore. So let me just go around and remove this. Then I want the sequence number in 4 digits, let's say, for example. Then I can simply rename it out on the same folder and then click on rename right here. And then all of it will be renamed accordingly. So you can see that it says tube 001, 002, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so forth, just like that. And that is how you can rename and batch rename files inside of Adobe Bridge. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.